Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale is a 1988 30-horse Johnson long shaft electric start. New water pump, new plugs, fuel system's been clean, great running motor. Fired up here. Pumping good water. You'll notice it bogs down, it's just cavitating in the tank. So neutral, reverse. We'll look at the lock on that. Back to neutral. Kill it. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.